Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best mini cordless rotary toolkits on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Dremel Lite 7760N/104V Li-ion cordless rotary tool. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Dremel Lite 7760N/10 is a compact, cordless rotary tool powered by a 4V lithium-ion battery, ideal for light-duty DIY projects. With variable speed settings from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, it offers precise control for sanding, grinding, polishing, and engraving. It features a comfortable, ergonomic design and a convenient USB charger for easy recharging. The tool includes 10 accessories and is compatible with most Dremel attachments, making it versatile for home repairs, crafting, and hobbies. Its simple twist-to-lock system ensures quick accessory changes, and the cordless design provides portability and ease of use anywhere. Number 2 is the Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a versatile and compact solution for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. Powered by a 3.7V rechargeable battery, it offers 5 adjustable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, allowing for precise control over various tasks such as sanding, polishing, drilling, etching, and engraving. Its lightweight, pen-like design ensures comfortable handling and precision, especially during extended use. The kit includes 61 accessories, making it suitable for a wide range of light-duty projects. A built-in LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit areas, and the USB charging capability provides convenience and portability. With a runtime of up to 200 minutes on a single charge, this tool is ideal for detailed work on materials like wood, plastic, and resin. While not intended for heavy-duty applications, the Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a practical choice for those seeking a reliable and user-friendly tool for their crafting and DIY needs. And the first position goes to the Depstec Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Depstec DC08 Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a versatile and powerful option for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. Featuring an 8V rechargeable battery and a 5-speed motor ranging from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM, it offers precise control for tasks like sanding, carving, drilling, and polishing. Its lightweight design, weighing just 0.82 pounds, ensures comfortable handling during extended use. The kit includes 127 accessories, such as a cutting guide and protective shield, enhancing its adaptability for various projects. A Type-C charging interface allows for quick recharging, and the anti-blocking system minimizes interruptions during operation. Additionally, the tool is compatible with accessories from other brands, broadening its utility for different applications. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 mini cordless rotary toolkits that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.